Hello everyone and welcome back to ShellTech. I've been using the OdinLake Ergo Max 747 desk chair for a couple of weeks now, and I can confidently say this is one of the most ergonomically comfortable chairs I have tried. That's because this Ergo Max 747 chair is designed to have ergonomic features that will help you dial in your precise fit to help you improve your posture, circulation, and body support. I must mention up front that OdinLake did send me this chair for free in exchange for an honest review of this product, and all thoughts are my own. In this review, I'll do a quick unboxing, assembly, go through the design features, and I'll tell you what I liked and disliked about this $900 premium ergonomic office chair. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of why the Ergo Max A747 could be a great choice for office workers, productivity, and gamers who value comfort and ergonomics while sitting for long periods of time. So let's check it out. Well, all the parts for the Ergo Max comes in this rather heavy box, so you really are going to need two people to carry this. Everything is well packed and individually protected with bubble wrap and foam. Everything needed for this build comes in the box, and the chair is basically made up of 8 parts. Other things included in the box include a pair of gloves, instruction manual, catalog, and a small parts package, which includes the only tool you need, an Allen wrench. Now let's get into how I built the Max 747 Ergo chair. Going through the simple user guide, putting the chair together would only take 5 easy steps. What is pretty cool is OdinLake actually includes a pair of soft gloves to aid in the build process, the chair from scratches and fingerprints because of the shiny aluminum and metal parts. With those straightforward instructions, you start off the build with the base, pushing in the 5 caster wheels into the slots at the end of the base. I love how the base is pure metal and all in one piece. You then slide in the gas lift, and the base is done. The seat unit is also partially assembled, so you just line it up and slide it over the gas spring. And then you move on to the armrests, which slide into the predefined holes, attach with 2 bolts, and cover the screws with the plastic covers. Then I moved on to the backrest, that is a solid heavy piece of aluminum and plastic, lined up the holes and attached with 4 screws, making sure to tighten the outside screws first and then the middle 2 after. I then installed the bag rack on the backrest using a couple of bolts and then snapped on the back rack cover. And finally slide on the headrest into the hole in the backrest, locking it in place to finish assembly. So now let's take a closer look at the OdinLake Ergo 747 Max ergonomic chair. First off, this chair is big and rather heavy, mainly due to the use of the strikingly good looking aluminum alloy throughout the spine, chassis, and base, which should give the chair more strength and last longer than more conventional gaming and ergonomic chairs. There are 5 smooth, silent coasters that had no problem gliding across any surface, including my carpet in my office. The rest of the chair is composed of flexi-breath mesh and plastic on the headrest, backrest, and seat to make it more breathable during long hours of work or play. I'm 5'8" or 172 centimeters, and I fit comfortably and snugly. Way taller users over 6 foot will fit well in this chair, and if you're shorter, I don't think this chair will be a problem as there is no gaps between headrest and backrest. The mechanics of the chair include simple controls on both left and right side of the seat, with the seat height adjustment easily done with the push of the lever either up or down, and pulling the lever next to that will adjust the seat depth up to 2 inches forward to get you farther or closer to your desk. There is a lever on the left side that allows you to recline the backrest to a 135-degree angle that can be locked in place, which is an awesome position for optional footrest that you can purchase separately. The arms are fully adjustable as well in 4 different directions. They are hard plastic with a button on the underside that you press to allow you to move them up and down from 25.8 inches to 32.7 inches tall, inward and outward and forward and backwards, so you can get your perfect custom angle. There is also a knob below the seat that tightens and loosens the elasticity of the backrest, giving you a firmer or softer feel in the lumbar area. It also has 3 levels of C-shaped lumbar support with a click of the back switch, reducing extra stress on your spine. I got to say the headrest is a nice feature of the 747 Max. It's made of the same mesh as the backrest and is fully adjustable too. It swivels up and down to cradle my neck or head, and the whole headrest can move up down to accommodate shorter and taller people than my 5'8" frame. Angle adjustments can also be made for your head. It's a comfortable mesh that has a large surface to accommodate the largest heads, and even with a bald head, it felt surprisingly soft on my skin. Taking a look at the innovative 3-section backrest, it has 5 adjustable height settings. With a pull or push, you can increase or decrease the height to your optimum level. Attached to the backrest is something that I've not seen before on any other ergonomic chair, but a coat or bag bar. That is really something that all chairs should come with, especially at this price point. It makes it super convenient to hang your personal items out of the way, especially in an office environment. So it's been some time since I've been using this chair and I'm really liking the Ergo Max 747 so far. As I've been using it for the past couple of weeks for gaming, editing, but mostly work, I find I really love it as a premium 8-hour workday ergonomic desk chair. Yes, the OdinLake Ergo Max 747 does come in a premium price point of around $900, so my expectations are at a high level and should be. But with the use of a high quality aluminum alloys, materials, ergonomic features, and a great warranty, I think the price is well worth it. Speaking about that warranty, this chair does come with a 15-year warranty, which I had to utilize when some of the parts of the Ergo Max arrived broken. OdinLake responded fast and replaced the broken parts quickly and responsively. So I was happy that they seemed to follow up and take pride in their products. I really like this chair, but it did take some time to get used to. Coming from a non-mesh chair, the feeling of the mesh was foreign to me, but after dialing in each customizable feature for maximum comfort, I really got this chair perfect for my work gaming style. I love how the backrest hugs my body during long hours, breathable mesh that keeps me cooler during intense gameplay, and just the general high quality look of this chair in my office setup. This chair may not be for everyone, however, it is heavy, you may not get used to the mesh, or the mesh may wear out like other mesh chairs over time, and of course the price is above other chairs that may be a determining factor for most budget conscious consumers. But besides those concerns, I think this is a great chair for anybody looking for ergonomic features, innovative design, and don't mind paying a little more for quality. To watch unboxing and reviews on other products that can improve your office or gaming setup, check out the videos right here on the screen. Also, tell me what you think about the OdinLake Ergo Max 747. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.